In this video, I'm going to explain how to create fast forward coding video like this. Okay, so what we have to do, so first we have to record the video in vertical view. First we have to open any editor. Now I'm using VS Code, and this VS Code I'm going to write a simple program like a hello world program. Hello world program in Python. Okay, and then after what you have to do, and then you have to record the video in vertical view like this. You have to click on the screen recording. Okay, then after you have to select only vertical view. Make sure the height should be greater than the width. You can see right now the video is width and height you can create, but make sure the height should be greater than width. Then it video will considered as vertical video. Okay, after that what you have to do, you have to record the video in this view, not the whole view. Then it will convert it to the verticals video. After recording this, then we can do the forward. So now what we have to do, after selecting this area of the screen in which height should be greater than width, now what you have to do, you have to type your code. First I'm going to create one variables like var1, and to these variables I'm going to store hello world. So you can type any program, that is not, but just make sure normal typing going to be happen, nothing any magic. Okay, so after that what we have to, inside this one I'm going to try to type each words or variables. Do not try to copy paste variables, else video will look like you're copy pasting. So make sure your video will look more interactive. Okay, so now I'm just for this is demo purpose. So now what I'm going to do, then after you have to close the recording. When you're closing the screen recording, so it is showing this window. After this window I'm going to done this one. Our typing the code is done. Our next step is editing. So for editing this video I'm going to use iMovie because I'm using the MacBook. First I'm going to open iMovie, and then in this iMovie import that video, what was the video you have recorded. Okay, so this video is recorded recently. Okay, then after what we have to do, just from iMovie just select this video, and after that what we have to do, click on the modify menu options. From there is different option called fast forward. Also you can slow the video, but now we are going to do fast forward video. How many times you want to speed up your video, like 2 times, 4 times, 8 times, 20 times. Make sure to fast forward the video 4 times or 8 times so that user able to see whatever typing in the screen. So this case I'm going to select 8 times. Okay, then you can see this rabbit icon is showing, it means video is fast forward. But still what we have to do, our next step is after fast forwarding you have to go to these options. Okay, and from these options you have to click this icon. Okay, and then from this icon you have to convert your video, like you have to rotate your video from here. Okay, rotate this clip. Okay, like counterclockwise. So this one, and then after till now our step is done. After that you have to do 2 more steps. So after that select the video, hello world sorting, hello world coding short video. You can give any meaningful name, that would be helpful for search. Hello world coding search. Okay, video. Okay, just save it. Okay, then after from here what you have to do, just try to export this video, click the next. Okay, then after choose your any locations path. Right now it's a default on downloads. I'm selecting downloads, and your exporting is enables. Okay, here. So it's exporting. So wait for some second. Once exporting is completed successfully, go to video part where it's saved or exported. So from there you can see here is the video. Just I'm going to click on this video and I'm going to see how it's looking like. Okay, so it still is a vertical view, right? Okay, so still in the vertical view, what you have to do, open this video in playing mode, just open one, and then after what you have to just, I'm going to show you one more informations. Still we have recorded this video in verticals view, right? And this video still will not convert it to vertical video. Why? So once you click on this video and get the get information, okay, so you can see our video dimension is still 920 by 1080. Okay, still our video dimension is this one. Okay, width is greater than height. Okay, but we have recorded the video where the height is greater than width. Okay, so this is the very tricky part. If you forget this part, so your video will not converted into verticals. So what we have to do, you have to open this video. Okay, and from it will by default open QuickTime Player if you're using MacBook. Still this video I'm recording MacBook Pro, so make sure it will all MacBook Air or MacBook Pro devices have iMovie, or once we clicking any of the video, it by default video player is QuickTime Player. So what we have to do, from here you have to click on edit, and from edit you have to rotate it right. Okay, so now you can see your video is rotating right. What you have to do, again you have to save it. Okay, in this time this is our final video, right? And final video, I give different name, final video, and this video will be 1080 by 920. Okay, so save it. You can see the original video is this one, right? Hello world coding short video. And next video, this one, after rotating, I am going to save it this name, final video 10 20 1080 by 920. So now again going to check what is the dimension of this video. Click on the get info. So now you can see our dimension is 1080 by 920. So now this video is now ready for upload to YouTube. And make sure whatever the video uploading, the video length should be less than 60 seconds. This video I'm just created for demo purpose. Play once more, so you can see this is our video. Close the sound. Okay, so this was the only for this one, a smaller one, so you can do in the fast forward. One more step is, if you want to add some musics, you can add the musics from audio and video player. So the very this default music generally I use for creating source video. So what we have to do is just add here. Okay, then after again you have to trim this one. Okay, so split the clip. Okay, and delete this one, and now we have to follow the same step. Okay, do not have to do anything. Okay, delete this one, and now you can see I'm going to click this one. You can see, just mute the audio of this one. Okay, then it will be I'm going to mute this one. Okay, so play it again. Okay, we have to follow the save step. This video is saved, auto saved after adding this music. Still you can do from here, like if you want to save it manually, command S you can do. But going to again this one, close this window. From again you have to export this one and rotate this one. So exporting from here, okay, just giving one more information. When we are exporting this one, by default is showing 1080, right? So 1080 is a height, okay, and 920 is a width by default. Okay, so but in our case, when you have to upload this video on any YouTube platform, that is short video, so it should be vertical, okay, not horizontal. But this video is still in horizontal. Okay, so after that again you have to follow the same step. Once exporting is done, what you have to do, open in the video like this one, and from here, from edit view, just rotate this one, and then after when you're clicking the close, like after rotate one, if you can click on the close, it will asking for save, giving any different name. Okay, so you can see here, but I have already saved, so I'm not going to save it. Okay, let's close this one. Okay, so this is the all about recording the video in verticals view. This is how we can create fast forward coding video as you can see, lots of right now people are uploading the YouTube. So I hope this will be very useful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video with another useful information.